Your fashion brand is not selling because your content has no plan. Let me show you how to fix this in 60 seconds. I'll use Haven to generate content ideas, then turn it into a 7-day posting plan. So I'm just going to click on the idea generator. And I'm just going to paste in my ideas, my prompts. I'm just going to click on generate. So right here, you can see that I wrote, I want a women's ready-to-wear brand in Nigeria. We sell this. Audience, make sure we give the audience those. I also give them short content ideas that they should focus on: education, trust, proof, and sales, right? So for each idea, I wanted there will be a hook, what to show on screen, and CTA, right? So this is what I told them to do for me. And right now, they've generated it. So I'm just going to look through what they generated. Now I'm going to look through it patiently. Okay, so this was what they gave. Want to look expensive on a date for under 30,000 naira? What to show on the screen. So they auto direct you on what to show on the screen. So this idea basically is guiding us just like a script. Are you looking at how this is nice? So it doesn't just give you an idea, it also directs on how to use the idea. That's because I was specific and detailed. And that's why I always say, you need to be specific, I need to be detailed. So what you show on the screen: model wearing a corset top with simple gold accessories, close-up of shoes and clutch, text over it, corset plus minimal jewelry equals to classic. Then your call to action can be tap the link in our bio to shop this film. So this was basically for me the first idea. Okay, so we have various ideas that we're going to look through. So for the second idea right here, how to style one dress 3 ways for your wedding weekend. Wow, I'm very interested if I'm actually going for a wedding weekend, right? So what to show on screen: same dinner dress shown as daytime. It's a denim jacket, wedding guests with heels, and night out with a statement done. Quick label on each clip: day, ceremony, and night. You can see this. This is how you grab your audience attention. Then your call to action will not be like, save this video and shop your dress from the link, and people will actually check it out, right? So another one today is avoid these 3 mistakes when picking a 2-piece set. I'm the person that I will check this out because I wear 2-piece sets. So what to show on the screen: split screen of wrong fit and wrong print, and the correct fit on real women. Add short text for each mistake. After the call to action should be comment which mistake you make, and we will help pick your side. And people will actually want to interact with this. People actually want to learn and not make the mistake. Then another one now is hook: how to measure your waist for a perfect corset fit at home. What to show on the screen: hand showing a flexible tape measure on a woman's natural waist. Show where to measure and how tight to hold the tape. Show the size number clearly. Then a call to action should be send your measurements to our direct message for your free size check. So this one was focused on education. As you can see, here was education, right? Because I was specific. This is education. I'm educating them. I'm informing them. So now I want to build trust. You understand? And you also give us FOMO on that trust. In case you want trust, you want to build trust. You want to educate. So the first one, a real customer at a wedding. No edit, no filter. What to show on screen: short clip of a customer arriving at a wedding, dancing, close-ups of the dress moving, include customer name and setting a small caption. This is what will make people trust you because you're actually seeing it in reality, right? So the call to action will be: want this look for your event, message us to reserve your site, right? And there's many more. Like, I don't know if there's a must actually go to all of this. It is so clear. You understand? I'm just going to take one example. Watch how we make your dress in 30 seconds. This is how you build trust, right? So what to show on the screen: clips of fabric, cutting, sewing, fitting on the mannequin, and final quality check. So are you seeing how this can help you as a fashion brand? This is very good. You don't just go there and be showing different clothes, different kinds of clothes, and you're posting and think people actually want to interact. You need to make them trust you. You need to educate them. Because there is more just showing dresses, right? So now is it. Look at this one. I'm just going to look at the hoop. Size proof, same dress on 3 different body types. And you can just show 3 women on different shapes wearing it. They'll be very interested in seeing this because people must love to see how this looks on every body type, right? I personally love to see what fits my body type, what fits another body type, to know what to get. Then this is like, I actually said I was going to take 2, but I'm going to take all because I really love what I'm seeing today, right? I really love what Haven does. This is what Haven do. Like most of the time, I actually don't even know what to pick when I'm picking hooks and caption. Like there's a lot. So what I do personally is I just save up all these ideas and use each of them every time. Like this, I have like up to 16, I have a 16-day idea. Like I don't need to come back here every single time. It gives me, and that's all. Then I plan my content afterwards. This is how good Haven is. You don't need to come back every time, every single thing. So it gives you content for like, if you're someone that posts every day, 16 days, if you post 3 times a week, you have enough ideas. You don't need to keep coming, right? Don't need to keep coming. I like this a lot. Why customers keep coming back to us? Why? And I see this, I'm very interested. Okay, let me know why people actually come back to them. What I will show on the screen will be quick clips of repeated customers unboxing. You show the same people that keep unboxing your brand. You understand? This is how you build trust. When I see this, I'm very interested because I know that, yeah, okay, this is not a scammer. Call to action will be shop our bestsellers limited stock and people will check you out. So this is how I'm using different niches. When I'm giving example, I don't really specify on my title, but I mean, comment, you see different examples, right? I just want to show you that this can be used across various brands. So that's how to build trust. Lastly, we went for the sales. It also gave us 4 ideas. So you can be mixing this up, right? When you're doing your videos. Number 1, 2-piece set flash sale today only. So when you give sale, me personally, I love when people give sales. I buy. It's for me. It's an opportunity for me, right? So what to show on the screen, 3 brands selling 2-piece sets or models. Show original price and sale price for each set. Add a visible timer in the corner. Call to action, buy now from the shop link before the seller. And me, I will not want them to sell out because me, I like getting cheaper things for the same quality, right? And I'm sure it's not new. So another one is bundle deal, right? Because a lot of time people use only sales, but you can come with a bundle deal. And this is way better because you sell more, right? So buy a corset top and skirt, save 10,000 naira. What is shown on screen, corset top and matching skirt shown together. Show price breakdown and total saving in bold text. Your call to action should be tap the product bundle in our shop to get the discount. So this is basically like a discount. What you'll be saving. Hook, last chance. If I say last chance, I will be like, hey, this is last opportunity. Let me grab this opportunity. Because I know they won't do it again. Limited run dinner dresses for wedding seasons. Then what I will show on the screen will be like a rack of dresses with a small sign that says limited run, right? Show close-up of fabric and the number of dresses left. For example, 5 left, and I'll rush because, wow, this is beautiful and I don't want to miss out on it. Then my call to action will be reserve yours now by clicking the link, right? So another one will not be, which is the last one, for sales, free same week alterations when you order by Friday. So this will make people actually order before Friday or latest Friday. So this is how to grab your sales. So what you show on the screen is Kelo hemming a dress and customer trying on the finished piece with a very beautiful smile, right? Show the deadline date on screen. Then your call to action will be order by Friday and tell us if you want free alterations in your message. And this is what Haven does for you. It helps all kinds of brands. It's not just entrepreneurs, it helps everything you do. All I would tell you is that you should be very specific. You should be very, very specific. Very, very specific. Very specific. I can take this whole idea now and move to my content planner and plan it. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep it short. So in the next video, I'm just going to be showing you how I'll copy all of these things and paste it in my content planner so that the video can be short. But I've changed my mind. For the sake of this video, I'm going to make this long. Because I really love what I'm seeing. I want to show you how you can plan your content using all of these ideas. For me, this is a very big opportunity. So instead of you just taking the idea and keeping aside, you can actually plan your content using them right now. Yes, you can actually plan your content using them right now. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to go back. Yeah, because I feel like it's better I show you now and separate the videos, right? So I'm just going to go to content planner. I mean, you're going to plan your content using all of these ideas. So I'm just going to paste this, and this might take a while because I need to type in. But I think for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use my microphone to keep this a little bit shorter, right? So I'm going to allow this time. So we are on. So turn these ideas into a 7-day content plan for Instagram Reels plus TikTok. Rules, day 1 to 2. Education, day 3 to 4. Trust and proof. Day 5 to 7. Sales. For each day, give post title, 10-second hook line, but that's not necessary action. What to show on camera, caption angle, keep it short and realistic for a small business owner. Then I'm just going to click this, and automatically it says, but it's going to take time to impute it, which is still way better than me typing, right? And now it has been transcribed, and you can see it has been transcribed. I think this was above, it transcribed above. Well, in all of that, we're just going to click on new notes, and we're going to see what it gives us, right? I just want to wait patiently because you have to be like really patient when we do things like this. It's a very big cheat code for me. Even is a cheat code. It's not just ideas anymore. It's a full schedule, like a full schedule. I'm going to wait. I'm really looking forward to even seeing what is going to bring out of this, because content planner takes time. Why? Because it needs to make sure it's intentional and plan your content well and not just give you anything. Like with this, I don't need to be thinking every morning. Like I just open day 1 on my caption planner and like I pick day 1 I post, because I love making my videos and everything, my content in badges, right? So for a whole month, I can just do it. So I'm going to look at this and we're going to know, I'm so excited to go through this already. Like guys, you won't understand. So let's go through this. We're going to be patient, right? Okay, so day 1, education. As you can see, I told it gave me a very good way in case I'm posting like 2 times a day. Because if you notice, I just gave they gave us 4 ideas for each of the niches, like mostly education, sales, trust. So if you post 2 times a day, you would use one of those content twice. But let's look at what it says. Day 1, education. So in day 1, we're going to be posting educational content and post it be in the morning. Title. Even give us title, because you remember the last one, and I didn't actually give us title, but this gave us title. So you don't even need to go to Hook to get your you don't need to use Hook to get your title. You can actually use this to get your title. So number 1 was to how to measure your waist at home. But I don't really, you can still use your hook in case you want that. So measure your waist the right way for a perfect concept fit. Okay, it still gave us a very good hook, which is nice. So it told us what to show on camera, this and that. So in order, already it planned our content that day 1 should be education. We post in the morning, we post in the night. If you want to be more specific, you can tell it to give you the time. As I tell you that you need to take your time and be more detailed, but I didn't specify, right? Because there are a lot of times I specify the timing. It gives me a great time. It tells me why I'm using that time. These people will be around by this time. You can even use your social media analytics to give it to you. But if you impute it, it will use it. If you don't, it won't, right? So look at this post B, evening. Look expensive for under 30K. This is really nice. Because a lot of people spend so much money right now to do anything. But you don't need to. You don't need to. 10-second hook that won't look expensive on a date for under 30K. What to show on camera. It's even telling you what to show on camera. But if you don't want to use this one, you can use what the idea gives you. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to leave out what to show on camera. I'm just going to focus on the caption. List the item and prices. Tell people where to buy from your profile link. But you can use you can say what is giving you, but you can also generate this using your caption, because there's also a caption generator here in case you don't like the caption it gives you, because it's telling you right now that you should list the item. So instead of listening by yourself, caption generator can do all this for you, right? So platform note for boot pull. On TikTok, choose a clear popular background song. It's going to also direct you on what song to use on each platform, and keep the video vertical, because it's not a landscape. On social media, they prefer a vertical video. So this is really nice. This is really nice. On Instagram, post to Reels and add a simple cover image that shows outfit. You can see this. They do also education, because you said that we're going to use education 2 times. Then the next time, if you remember what I posted as what my prompt I posted, I said it's education 2 days. So those 2 days I'm posting 2 times. So those 4 ideas under education is what is giving me right now. It planned it from using the ideas. This is how you go from nothing to something within minutes. within minutes. It's so nice. Like, I don't even think I need to continue. I just need to scroll through this and look at it. It's really nice. Post B, 3 mistakes to avoid with the 2-piece sets. This is really, like, for me, I feel like your title should also be a hook grabber, right? So this also gave us a good thing. Day 3, trust proof. Real customer at a wedding. But you don't need to use this title. If you don't like it, you can use your hook generator. You can see everything. It did it so well. And that's why it takes time. It needs to take time to structure your content. And you can see in this one, right? It gave us the post time. It told us to post by 7:30. Here it told us to post by 12 p.m. Are you looking at it? It even gave us a post time. I didn't see it. 9 p.m. And in the first one, 6. It's just wonderful, guys. Like, I really, really love this a lot. You know what? I get recommendations on what niche to focus on my on Instagram, and that's what I usually use YouTube to do. So if you want any recommendations on what niche I should use next, you can text it on my Instagram, because I'm ready to give you guys what you want. Okay? Extra tips for the week. One short note. We use the same video for both Instagram and TikTok, because a lot of people think, okay, it's about posting different on the 2 different platforms. You don't need to do that. That is stressful. Do small edits only if needed. But if not, why? I don't usually do any edits. Add clear text on screen so people understand without sound. I usually do that because it's needed. It's really needed. I don't usually do that actually, but like on my TikTok and Instagram, I do that. On my personal, on my other businesses, but on my YouTube, So, reply to comments and messages the same day. Do not ignore people. Do not ignore people. Always give people what they want. I don't see why I'll keep texting when you're not replying. I won't, personally. I don't know why people will do that. As a business, you shouldn't do that. It'll be influencer that have the right, or celebrity that have the right to do that. But I don't still see why I would do that if I'm a celebrity, because wow, I like what you're saying to me, so I'll reply you, right? So all this helps you turn views into sales. That's a full 7-day plan. If you want a monthly plan, you tell them. If you want, because I feel a monthly plan should be the highest, because what do you really want to use 1-year plan to do? That will even stress you out. So guys, that's all for this video. If you sell products and you struggle with what to post, this is why Heaven is here for you. You don't need to stress anymore. You don't need to stress anymore. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to give to text me your recommendation on what niches I should use. Then I'm gonna try and make a video on it when I have the opportunity to. Have a good day.